Today, we are going to train your English voice to use the present perfect and the past simple. When we tell a story, we often use both the present perfect and the past simple to describe what happened. The present perfect explains the action that has been happening over the time, but the past simple tells us what happened at a specific time. So let's have a look at some examples. The present perfect tells us what the situation is now. For example, I have written a blog. So that is what the situation is now. I have written it and it is available to read. Okay. The past simple tells us what the situation was. Sentence example, I posted it on the internet. Okay. So that is something that happened in the past. That's what the situation was. The present perfect tells us about new or recent happenings. For example, she has just finished her latest vlog. Just finished tells us that it happened very recently. For example, perhaps I just finished it an hour ago. Okay. The past simple tells us about happenings in the past, not recent or new. For example, she studied journalism. So she could have studied this 5 years ago, 10 years ago. It is something that happened in the past and is not recent. The present perfect can also tell us about new information. For example, I have just read an exciting post. So that is new information. I have just read it. The past simple can also tell us about information in the past. For example, Jim and Fiona got engaged last night. So last night is in the past, and the information is that they got engaged. Excellent job with the present perfect and the past simple. Well done. Goodbye.